What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got this ISF right here and it is in need of a little TLC. Let me show you what I mean. We've got this disgusting eBay spoiler that needs to come off. We've got this wrap. It's time to go. It's cracking. And so it actually needs a wash too. But what I need to do first is I got to remove this antenna so that we can actually peel off the wrap. So let's go ahead and get started here. So first thing we got to do here as we start this up is we got to pull this off, and that will give you access to the screw to take the antenna off. Now you don't have to pull the headliner down, you just got to get this off. So what you want to do is pull from here forward, pull from the back. It's gonna feel pretty tight, but just pull it down. So there we go. Pulled it down. So then I'm just gonna go ahead, disconnect the connector here. There we go. So that's out of the way. And then if we can get some light here, I'm gonna show you what we're working with, and then I'll just get to it. It's gonna be hard to see what's going on, but as you can see here, there it is right there. There's your screw, there's your connector, and you can actually access it from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull that out, and then we'll get back to the top and pull off that wrap. All right, so we got that bolt off. I'll go ahead, pull this out from the top. And there you have it. That's simple. As quick as can be. All right, so now I'm gonna pull off this little seal here. Make sure we don't lose the seal. And then we're gonna get to work here. Yep, that's all we got for seals. I believe so. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna start pulling this off. You can see how shiny it was versus how it is now. It is completely deteriorated. So we're gonna go ahead and pull all of that off right now. All right, first thing, we're gonna pull off these pieces right here. Just grab it and pull up. All right, then I'm gonna open up the sunroof right there, and we'll just start pulling. So here we go. You can see this is going to take quite some time. Lessons learned: do not wait past like the 2-year mark to take off the wrap. Just take it off and do it again. It'll save you a ton of time. This thing is breaking like nobody's business, and if you can see here, look at that color change. Like, this thing should have been off. So from my understanding, if you leave the sun out in the if you leave the car out in the sun, the UV rays will basically take away this discoloration. So we're gonna have to see if that actually works. But there, as you can see, there's a lot more to go here, and I'm not even halfway through. So now I'm using a steamer to help release the adhesive on the film to get this thing off. This is a tough job indeed. All right, so there you have it. You can see the discoloration from that wrap being on there. So it's off now. So the only thing left to do is clean that up, and then we're gonna also rip off this the spoiler. you can see, this spoiler is most definitely trash. Faded and junk. Alright, so when it comes to sticker removal, the Turtle is definitely better than the Glue Gun. This works, but this is it's a lot more, you could say, aggressive. It works better. We'll just say that. This works, but this is better. So there you go, Turtle, label, and sticker remover. So here is the new spoiler. Looking fresh. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's hope this is better quality than the last one. So now all we gotta do is get the tape on there and then get it fitted. All right, so this time we got our end ready here. And we're just gonna peel off some of that tape so we have a peel away. We'll show you what that looks like, but now we'll get it set in place and then we should be good to go. Okay, that looks like the spot where we're gonna set it. should be able to make contact now. All right, so then, now that we've made contact here, what we're gonna do is we're just going to peel these, and then everything should be set in place and press. So much easier way to get that done. All right, new spoilers in place, looking good. All right, next up, we got the roof spoiler. All right, so here's the roof spoiler. We'll go ahead and do a test fit, make sure it actually fits in place properly. Beautiful. The last one I got, it did not fit in place properly. All right, so we'll prep this one with tape, and then we'll put it in place. So same thing on this, start your corners, or corners, whatever. Start the peel on both sides, and then as you get it set in place, then you're able to start rolling it off. And we're gonna have to do this again. That's all for the night. We're gonna get these over here put back in and call it a night. And there goes the sunburned top. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.